Welcome to the best picks. The best Denon Remote is probably one of the most convenient gadgets for your home entertainment system. It simplifies your life by replacing multiple remotes with a single, user-friendly device. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Denon Remote, exploring its features, setup process, and how it can transform the way you control your TV, receiver, and other devices. Number 5. Denon AVR Remote Control Replacement. Are you looking for a replacement remote for your Denon AV receiver? This remote is designed to replace several models. It's a convenient solution to control your home entertainment system. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Denon models. It works with AVR X3600H, AVR X2600H, and many others. Check the list to see if it fits your specific receiver. The remote replaces models like RC1228, RC1227, RC1217, RC1218, and RC1192. It's a direct replacement, ensuring all the functions work seamlessly. You can easily control your device with it. This replacement remote is easy to set up and use. It offers all the essential functions you need. You'll be enjoying your favorite content in no time. If your original remote is lost or damaged, this is the perfect solution. It provides all the same functions as the original. Get yours today and regain control of your entertainment system. What we like. This remote boasts extensive compatibility, working with a broad range of Denon AV receivers. It supports many models, ensuring you can find a match for your setup. If you have a multi-room setup or frequently upgrade your devices, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works, and looks exactly like my original. It was received quickly and was a perfect match, worked immediately. Straight out of the box it worked, just buy some batteries and you're good to go. Number 4. Replacement remote for Denon AVR, X510BT S500BT X520BT S510BT. This is a replacement remote control designed for your Denon AV receiver. It's a direct replacement for the original RC1196 remote, ensuring full functionality. There's no programming needed. Simply insert new alkaline batteries, and it's ready to go. It's that simple to set up and use. The remote requires two AAA alkaline batteries. Please note that the batteries are not included with the remote, so you'll need to provide your own. This remote is compatible with Denon AV receiver models AVR X510BT, AVR S500BT, AVR X520BT, and AVR S510BT. It is designed to work seamlessly with these models. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you with any issues you may encounter. What we like. This remote is incredibly user-friendly, requiring no complicated setup. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to go. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this remote will be a great addition to your entertainment system. What people say. The remote is well designed and fits comfortably in the hand. The buttons are logically placed and easy to access. It has a good range and works well. Number 3. ZdalaMit RC1216 Replacement Remote for Denon AV Receiver. This is a replacement remote control for your Denon AV receiver. It is designed to work with several models, including the AVR S530BT and AVR X550BT. It offers a convenient solution if your original remote is lost or damaged. You don't need to program or pair this remote. Simply install new batteries, and it's ready to go. It's a hassle-free way to regain control of your entertainment system. The remote is compatible with multiple Denon AV receiver models. It is a direct replacement, ensuring all the functions of your original remote are available. The remote requires two AAA alkaline batteries. Please note that the batteries and the manual are not included in the package. Make sure you have them ready. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you with any queries you may have about the product. What we like. This remote offers an instant solution, with no programming required. Just add batteries, and it's ready to control your AV receiver. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfectly right out of the box. New remote looks identical and works fine. No programming required, just worked out of the box. Number 2. Replacement remote for Denon AVR series. This is a replacement remote control, specifically designed for your Denon AV receiver. It's a perfect solution if your original remote is lost or damaged. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Denon AVR models, including the AVR X3100W, AVR X2100W, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it fits your device. No programming is needed. Simply install new batteries, and it's ready to control your entertainment system. It's that simple. The remote requires two 1.5V AAA alkaline batteries to operate. Please note that the batteries are not included in the package. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you get the most out of your new remote. What we like. This remote is designed for easy use, with no programming needed. It is also compatible with a variety of Denon AV receivers. If you are looking for a replacement remote that is both easy to set up and compatible with your device, consider this one. What people say. Works straight away. Opening new remote, it was new and works fully. Installed batteries and immediately was able to control all my connected devices. Number 1. Denon RC1189 replaced remote. This is a replacement remote control for your Denon AV receiver. It's designed to work with several models, offering a convenient way to control your home entertainment system. This remote is compatible with Denon AVR S700W, AVR S710W, AVR S720W, AVR X1100W, AVR X1200W, AVR X1300W, AVR S700, AVR S710, AVR S720, AVR X1100, AVR X1200, and AVR X1300 receivers. It's a direct replacement, ensuring full functionality. The remote is very easy to use. There is no programming needed, just install the batteries and it's ready to go. You don't need to worry about complicated setups. The remote is ready to use right out of the box, saving you time and effort. The remote requires two AAA batteries. Make sure you have some on hand so you can start using it immediately. What we like. This remote is designed for simplicity, requiring no programming. Just add batteries, and it's ready to control your AV receiver. If you like a straightforward, no-fuss remote, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The functions are just as good as the original and it works extremely well with my Denon S710W receiver. This Denon equivalent remote control for the AVR X1100W works and looks like the original. Every button is the same as original. Works fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.